I like to, at least I'm intending to do 3 things before we dive into the main practice, so to speak. So the first step is to rest in open awareness, if I use that term. First one is just rest by letting go of even present moment, letting go of past and future, and even the idea of being present. So that's the first step. I'm just gonna tell us what I'm intending to do. Then second one is to seek for refuge or stable ground. Seek for, I said that, or open to the refuge. And the third one is cultivate the altruistic intention or cultivate the awakened mind or sense into awakened mind, which is already present within us. So those 3 things, basically open awareness, refuge, and bodhicitta. Then we're gonna dive into this practice. Then practice become imbued with those 3 aspects. Okay, let's do that. Just feel into what's present. Initially, letting go is important, no? Letting go of concept, idea of whatever. So let go of opinions. And where do you let go into? Let go into humility and let go into what's already here. Once you are able to let go a little bit, then open. Now open to that which is beyond this idea of limited self. In Zen tradition, we say the small self to big self. So see if we can open to big self, beyond the limit, limited sense of who and what we think we are, and rest. We are just resting in open awareness. It could be just freshness of each moment or space, like a blue sky, like today's Eugene's weather. Cloudless sky, nature of your mind, luminous and clear. Or that could be possibilities, potentials, empty yet full. See if you can open to that. So now second step is to seek refuge. Seek refuge in awaken or essence of truth. Usually in our tradition, in Buddhist tradition, could be the expression of that truth. See if you can feel into that, perhaps personification of that truth, or specific Idan deity figures, magic lapdom, or Prajna Paramita, Vajrayogini, essence or expression of goodness. Then ask for blessing. Blessing for today's practice. May today's practice become meaningful for myself and all beings. Please help me. Please assist me. Please guide me to the authentic path, authentic practice, devotion and humility. And the third step is the cultivation of awakened mind, bodhicitta. So we practice on behalf of all beings. We are sitting here, we are about to embark on this practice, and especially today, its talk feast is included. So invite all beings to this present moment, and then you embody, then you practice. So you are not practicing just for yourself, just one person, such a limited idea. So we invite all beings, we practice on behalf. So see if you can feel into that vast, unbounded quality of your heart. Real altruism within your heart if you like, you can invite your breath and awareness at the heart center. Then see if you can feel into that and genuinely this interconnectedness, support I received. I'm receiving every moment. So I will pay their kindness by practicing.